Hi everybody, it's 12:29 and 8 seconds on March 13th. This is the drawing for the Killing Joke first print and the two Banes, the first and second print. Before we get going, there's an issue with Facebook right now, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to share to all the participants, I'm sharing the results with the random post, and hopefully I'm going to be able to share this video as well. It's not allowing me to make any comments on the post, and somebody else said the same thing. They weren't able to comment on the post. So for this one, and I'm not going to do any more until Facebook gets themselves fixed, I'm not running anything else because this is just going to be a big hassle. Let's get the ball rolling. Number is 12. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here comes the final one. 12, spot 8, Chris Amador. Congratulations. Time is 12:30 and 13 seconds.